All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my three-way 16 by 20 winner's choice. So we'll check the time, April 25th at 3:25 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have April 25th at 3:25 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. 11 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Kevin. Spot 9 is your winner. So, Kevin, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, April 25th. 3:26 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.